Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use camera shortcuts on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to use camera shortcuts on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your camera and then open settings in the top right corner, then select more settings, and here you will get the setting of quick action from camera. You must have to enable it first, then read the description, which is double press the volume down button to launch camera when the screen is off. So you must have to double press the volume down button with the screen off, and here our screen is off. Now I'm going to launch camera. Just double press the volume down button and it will launch your camera. So that's how you can easily use camera shortcuts on your Vivo Y03. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.